Fine, how are you?
Hello, good evening, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also good. So tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, sure. My name is Yuvika Arora. I'm from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Right now, I am pursuing my masters and side and and with masters, I'm also preparing for a ugcnet exam.
Oh, wow. You're managing two things at the same time. So how do
Yes,
you manage both the things?
uh, with proper planning and some sacrifices like I
Oh,
avoid going out with friends and all.
uh-huh. Oh, so you do sacrifice. You don't go outside with friends. Okay. So how do you plan? Like you do time management, it shows.
Yeah, first of all, I make a to-do list, like what are my important tasks, I figure it out, and then I prioritize all the tasks and try to complete my to-do list and try to manage all like my studies, like all my studies and other tasks.
What about the distractions? If any distraction comes up, then
I put my phone on flight mode, so like nobody disturbs
that's
me.
good.
Like I think
Now,
it's the best
phone is the
trick.
biggest distraction.
Yes, ma'am. And right now, YouTube, Instagram is like everywhere. So I try to avoid all social media platform, like deactivate my Instagram account, turn off all the notifications.
Uh-huh. Wow, really encouraging. A team like you is doing these kind of things. Impressive. Okay, so in a day, how many hours do you give to study?
Around 6 to 7 hours.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and I try to give 11 hours, but it can't be possible. So like on an average, I try 6 to 7 hours. So that is manageable.
This is really good to hear that you manage your time well, and in this way you can achieve your goal. Really good to hear. And even I really like it. You said you turn off the notification. Yes, because when we receive the notification, everyone have the desire that we should see like what's there in it.
Yes, ma'am.
Nowadays, these online platforms are a distraction. What are
Sorry,
your
ma'am, you are not audible.
now? Can you hear me well?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I'm saying, like, what do you think that nowadays these online platforms are a distraction? What are your views?
See, I think if we use them wisely, they are great tools. Like we can learn so much from YouTube only. Like not only from paid platform, but there are very free sources available. Like on YouTube, we can see various good videos also. But sometimes excess amount of watching these videos can also distract us from our goals. So I think we should manage our like watching our.
Yeah, this is so true. We just wonder, even sometimes it do happens with me. I wonder that I will just look for 10 minutes and then those 10 minutes turn up to 1 hour.
Yes, 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 ma'am. This also happens with me. So that's why I deactivate my Instagram account because that reel feature is so much addictive that I scroll whole day. Like at the end
Yeah.
of the day, at the end of the day, I realize what I have done. Like nothing.
Yeah, this is really true. Nowadays, to stay away from mobile and social media is actually a goal itself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh, this is true. So tell me, like, apart, like when you are free, like you have now studied so much for 6 to 7 hours. So what do you do to keep yourself fresh after you study? Because our mind sometimes get like so much. We are studying the whole day. So how do you manage your stress level, and what do you do the things in your free time?
I love reading books. I love watching some good comedy movies, listening songs, and like going to temple. That is like a break or a refresh. Like it's like refreshing. It's like I get I get so much. good vibes while going to temple. So like I usually prefer to go for a walk or a temple and love to read books, light-hearted books.
Oh, that's good. Yes, so you are religious also.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, nature walks really helps when you go out and see the nature, enjoy the nature. It really helps so much.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. A lot.
What kind of books do you read?
I sorry. Right now, I'm reading Thousand Splendid Sun by Khalid Hosseini. It's a very nice book. It's about like a woman who is who is going from a really traumatic events. So it's a great book. And usually, I like self-help books, but like nowadays, it's too much of motivation around. So like I avoid those kinds of books and love to read a normal storybook or a fiction book or
Okay.
mythologies.
Hmm. So from where do you get the motivation?
Uh, like YouTube, like randomly, I used to watch that shorts also, and my goal is like from my goal, I also get motivated. Like I want to be a lecturer, a good teacher, so that motivates me a lot to study,
Hmm.
to do my task, to daily task. So yeah.
Okay, that's good that you plan to be a lecturer. Okay, so what is the what are the what is the advice you would like to give to the youngsters like you, how they should plan their studies and focus on their goal at this age when they're making their career rather than wasting the time over social media?
See, I think I'm not that capable of giving any advice, but according to my experience, I think we should have a strong goal and proper dedication. And and the most important thing, we should prioritize our task. Like, what are the most important thing in our day? So this helps a lot, and the best the best tool is like making a to-do list and putting your phone on flight mode and steady as much as you can, like give your best, like so that you can feel so grateful at the end of the day, like yes, we have done something really good. So the main thing is a strong goal and determination to achieve that goal.
Is that good? I also give you some advice, and even I missed to give my introduction in the beginning. Actually, I'm an English trainer by profession, and I'm also a mindset coach. So I will give you some advice about like how you can achieve your goal. So what if you can do you can make like short goals. Suppose your main goal is already fixed. So to reach that main goal, you can make like short goals daily in order to achieve that. Because if we have something like this much to achieve, it is like, oh my God. But if we have like very short goal at the moment and we wonder, and then step by step, you can reach towards your goal. This really helps a lot. When we have like small goals you make for like 5 hours, I should do this. The next 5 hours you plan again. Rather than planning in one go for all the things, you can plan like take 5 hours of the day. 5 hours also, I you know how I study. I take like 5 hours, and in those 5 hours also, I just divide my time. Okay, in 15 minutes, I should complete this question. Then in next 15 minutes, I will complete this. And this really helps you to increase your concentration level. Why? Because you have it in your mind that I only have 15 minutes to do this. So you do it with all your concentration without like wondering about the thoughts and thinking about the extra things going around. So this really helps a lot. You can try it.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I will try it.
Okay, so it was really nice connecting with you. Hope to see you soon, and really all the best for your future. And I wonder and I wish that you achieve your goals soon.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was nice talking to you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.